Hola, clase. So this is vocab 2-1. This is vocab that we've been using for several weeks. We studied the numbers. We studied time recently. And now we're going to study classes. We're going to study about classes. We're also going to learn how to tell what time we have a particular class, what that class is like, and what the teacher is like. So let's work on the pronunciation here with vocab 2-1 classes. Clase, repitan. El álgebra. El arte, las ciencias naturales, la computación, el dibujo, la educación física, el español, el francés, la geografía, la gimnasia, la historia, la hora de estudio, el inglés, la literatura, las matemáticas, la música, la química, el teatro. And just for fun, I want to take a look at tener. This is the verb that we ask how old you are. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 15 años. And then this is a verb that we're going to use with classes too. ¿Qué clases tienes? What classes do you have? And then you'll say, yo tengo arte, álgebra, and so on. Okay, practice the vocabulary, the pronunciation, practice what the words mean, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys in class. Adios.